Buonasera! Stasera we are doing Cacio e Pepe, amazing dish from the Roman cuisine. Very simple ingredients and Andiamo! I'm gonna crush the black peppercorn using a knife and the cutting board. We're going to toast our black peppercorn in a pan so that we allow all those oils to come out for an explosion of flavor. We are going to use some of the hot water now, unsalted, to form the Cacio cream, Pecorino Romano, and cooking water. Bellissimo! Mwah. Oh, and don't forget, you have to check the black peppercorn. You don't have to burn it, okay? As soon as you smell that strong flavor, shut it off and don't get too close. You might get high. Now we are going to cook the pasta half time in the pot and half time in the pan with the black peppercorn. For this dish, you can use bucatini, spaghetti, rigatoni, pici. I'm getting ready because very soon I'm going to transfer the pasta from this pot to this pan. I need a ladle, okay? Because I have to transfer some water into my pan. Andiamo! Keep stirring the bucatini inside the pan. Bucatini cacio e pepe. Make sure the water in the pan constantly boils, so the fire needs to be on high heat. Always taste the pasta. 30 seconds. Pronta! Now, few stirring motions to cool the pasta down a little bit. Right in there. Andiamo! Bam. Oh, look at this.
Buonasera, signorina, kiss me goodnight.